Do you want to mute a video in CapCut but aren't sure how to do it? In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple way to remove audio or mute your videos in CapCut. This process works seamlessly on both iPhone and Android devices. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and import the video you want to mute. For this example, I've imported a beautiful clip of Trevi Fountain in Rome. Let's quickly play the video to check the sound we want to remove. Play the sound in the video briefly. As you can hear, it's quite noisy with the crowd in the background, and I'd prefer to keep my video silent. To mute it, tap on the video in the timeline to select it. You'll see a range of options at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through these and tap on the volume option. Now simply slide the volume control all the way to the left to set it to 0. This will completely remove the audio from your clip, leaving you with a muted video. And that's it! Muting a video in CapCut is quick and easy. If you're looking for more CapCut tips, check out the playlist linked in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.